Good evening. What brave traveler do we have here today? Well, of course. Here at the Sleepy Stallion, we do have rooms to spare, good drink, and plenty of food. Come on in and take a seat. I'll be taking care of you here shortly. There you go. Enjoy. There's much more where that came from. Now, is there anything else I can help you with right now? Perhaps any food? We do offer a famous stew. Not at the moment then. Of course. Please let me know if there's anything else you need. Until then, please excuse me. My, aren't you a charming adventurer then? Well, if my time is so precious to you, then I suppose I could spare a few more minutes. In return, would you be telling me a few tales of your travels? You don't look like you come from around here, do you? Splendid then. Please do tell. What have you seen in your travels? Yes, I unfortunately do not get out often. The work here is, well, it is keeping me rather busy, and we are rather far off from the capital, so there is not a lot that happens here aside from the occasional drunken stepper some of those old geezers fall to. Really? So you live in the capital? Fascinating. Tell me, how is it there? Oh, that sounds rather fabulous. Oh, I would love to walk over that market myself someday. Oh, I can already picture it. The freshest food, finest baked goods, most precious fabrics. Well, I suppose a mere tavern maid such as I will not be able to spend a lot there, though I would sure love to see it. Oh, you would do that for me? Oh, dear. I have made of many men here, though none of them were quite as charming as you. If you do insist, I would be very happy to receive a gift next time you come by. In the meantime, would you like some more to drink? Of course, there's plenty to go around. Here you go. Oh yes, this wine actually is imported from the capital, so I do hope you enjoy a little taste of home. Now, what adventures would you have encountered on your way from the capital over here? Oh. So someone attempted to rob you? That does sound awfully scary. You beat them. Oh, you do look like quite a strong fighter. Oh, your swordsmanship must be incredible. Are you a knight? You're not. May I ask, what is it you do? Aside from traveling, of course. Oh. So you're a sellsword. Oh, it is a rather intricate line of work, though I respect it. Yes. Oh yes, the Mercenary Guild is one of our best customers. Plenty of people tread out here during their missions, so we are always happy to welcome you and get some coin for it. You do plan on paying, right? I am not who you were hired to take out. What a relief to hear. Now, working in this line of work must be dangerous, is it not? Oh, I suppose. If you are that confident in your skills, it surely is a piece of cake. Oh, I'm afraid I am not cut out for that life. I have been here all my life, and I do not think that I could kill. I have seen a fair share of blood during some of those spa brawls, though none of them ended deadly yet. But I do hope we'll keep it this way. No blood is such a hassle to clean. And of course, it will all be up to me to take care of that should it happen, so please try not to spill any blood in here while I work, would you? Thank you kindly, sir. I'm terribly sorry if I'm overstepping, though I am rather curious. What is your current mission? Oh, of course, you're not allowed to share that, I understand. Please, simply forget I have ever asked. If anyone will ask me, I will tell them I have not seen you. Unless you're not planning to harm the Imperial family, do you? Alright, then that's it. You've never been here. Oh yes, some rumors get even out here. Well, I am not sure how much truth is there to it, though. According to rumors I was told, there was an attempt on the princess' life. Poison, they said. Is there any truth to those claims? Would you know? Oh, I am awfully curious. So you're not certain? Though who would do such a thing? The prince is still so young. I cannot help but feel as if there is nothing could have done wrong yet. I suppose some people might disagree, that is true. Well, I am sure glad that he survived. I do hope he'll continue to have a long and healthy life. I mean, he is to be king after all. Oh, you flatter me. I am only one of His Majesty's humble subjects. No matter how far away from the capital I may be, I do greatly treasure the privilege of having the safety His Majesty provides us. Oh. Well, thank you. I am not not quite certain if my beauty rivals those of those capital ladies, though. For now, I will take your word for it. Oh, I suppose I do owe you to tell you a little bit about me, don't I? Well, my name is Amir, and aside from serving drinks and cleaning messes, I do everything that needs to be done around here. Yes, the sleepy stallion belongs to my uncle. He was kind enough to raise me when my parents could not, so to repay the favor, I am working here for possibly the rest of his life, and perhaps even my own. There is not a lot to tell, if I'm being quite honest. Sure, I don't really get out a lot. I'm sure you notice. Which is why I am even more excited to hear you share your story. Is there any job you took on that was different, something you never expected? There is. Pray tell. Oh, again. I suppose that is true. It would be dangerous to let me know. You're right. But what if I swear not to tell anybody? I would spare me my life. Please. It is dreadfully boring here. Thank you. Thank you, kind sir. I will be listening. Of course. And if it takes the whole evening, so be it. Those geezers have had enough for more than just tonight, to be honest. If it wasn't for the coin they pay, I would have already stopped serving them a while ago. So if they truly want another drink, they shall get it themselves. I swear not to tell a soul. Is that true? You were protecting the queen. Oh my. I was not aware that that would be something you do. The queen herself. But does she not have her royal knights to do that? It was different. Oh. Well, in that case, am I allowed to assume you were successful? Yes. Oh, I am delighted to hear. So you protected Her Majesty on a journey. Where to? Oh. I understand why that is confidential. Is there anything else you're able to tell me? Who was trying to... I apologize. I understand I'm asking too many questions. I will resort to listening instead and attempt to refrain from more questions. Poison. What was poisoned? Oh, my apologies. This is Gracie. She's responsible for keeping the mouses out, though suppose today she's not feeling like doing her job. She would rather keep me from working. I suppose I cannot blame her for that. I'm already making you keep me from work. Oh, please go on. So she hired you after the poison attempt. Well, I suppose she must have trusted you. You have a long history of mercenary work then. Oh, I am certainly glad to hear that it's going well. Oh. First poison and then that. A full-on ambush on her carriage. And you fend them off all by your lonesome. No. So there were a few nights. Well, I'm glad to hear that, though. It is not any less impressive that you were able to save her. Oh, I hope you were rewarded handsomely. That's quite lovely. Have you worked for Her Majesty again since then? Oh. Of course. I should have known. I understand why you cannot tell me that. But I very much appreciate you sharing this story with me. Since you're a skilled sword fighter, may I ask, how did you learn? Your parents. So your father was a mercenary as well? Oh, I suppose it only makes sense to enter the family business, doesn't it? I understand. Oh. Are you certain? Well, I am not supposed to drink while I have to work, though. I suppose just one cup won't hurt. And you're certain you're willing to pay? All right then. It is rather strong. Though, thank you for indulging me. No, you aren't wrong. Working in this sort of environment does come with, well, it does come with challenges such as drunken men crossing boundaries. Though luckily, my uncle has always been there in time to protect me if things ever get out of hand. So I do trust that I will be safe under him. Of course I thought about leaving. I dream every night of how it would be to leave behind this dusty old place and embark on a journey. Perhaps even find love and, well, who knows what then, right? Though unfortunately I do not believe that will be in the cards for me. I would not be able to defend myself, and under such circumstances I would likely die before I make it very far. So, I believe I will have to stay here and hope that my person will come here and find me. I mean, it is a romantic thought, isn't it? do not know if that is you, though. I'm not sure if I wouldn't get into your way. Yes, the mercenary life seems to be a lonely one. Well, I do wish you all the strength you need on your path. You are always welcome here, as long as you have the necessary coin. But we will be most happy to accommodate you here. In fact, let me get you one of the rooms ready for tonight. So after you're done drinking, you can head right there. Are you interested in any food after all? No? Well, alright. Should you mind change, we'll be still down here offering food for the next few hours. And, more drinks as well, of course. Well, I really should be going back to work. I have already spent a lot of time here. And I can tell those geezers over there are getting rowdy again. Let me just take care of them with a quick refill to keep them off my back and keep my uncle happy. Well, it was a pleasure to make your acquaintance, sir. I will see you later. Enjoy. Thank you to my channel members, Radio Pierce, Lehua, and Holly Henry. If you too would like early access to my videos and exclusive content, feel free to join the membership as well. If you enjoy what I do, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video.